Hi there, this is Alvin and welcome to kickstartcommerce.com. And in today's tutorial, I'd like to share with you how you can use Mailchimp to send what's called a lead magnet. And so oftentimes you'll see websites that'll have web forms on them asking you to sign up or to share your email address. And in exchange for that email address, they will allow you to download some form of content. So whether it's a video, whether it's a tutorial, whether it's a ebook, mini ebook, white paper, case study, you name it, that's what I want to show you. So for example, on one of my sites, roundrockseoservices.com, I have this page that's just set up that just says, hey, a free website audit. And so as you can see on the right hand side, there is a copy. You'll basically get the copy of my latest ebook called 5 Profitable Search Engine Optimization Tips to Generate Customer Growth and Revenue. And so you have to fill out this form to be able to receive the PDF. So oftentimes what will happen is many people will try to put a bogus email address in, thinking that if they just put something in and complete the form on the next page, there'll be a download link. Well, essentially what I do is basically force you to have a valid email address to even receive the download link. But that being said, I want to show you how to set that up for your own website so you can have a form like this and then be able to use Mailchimp to send what's called a final welcome email. So go ahead and log into Mailchimp. And I've already set up a list, and so what you'll want to do, if you already have a list set up, then go ahead and go to your list. If not, go to list and then create a list, and then go through the steps of setting up that list. Once you've set it up, then you can come to this page, go to your respective list. For this, I'm using test list. And then you'll want to go to sign up forms. And once you go to the sign up form, it'll give you a couple of different options: form builder, embedded form, subscriber pop-up, and form integrations. What you're wanting to click on is the form builder, so go ahead and select it. And once you select it, it will then take you to a couple of different options. And the one here for forms and response emails, you'll want to click that and then basically look for final welcome email. Go ahead and click final welcome email, and then make sure that you have this box checked next to send a final welcome email. It'll alert you that that final welcome email is now turned on. And then this is the basic email. You can begin to edit the title of this, basically this confirmation page. And then basically what I do is I basically force a double opt-in. And so someone signs up, we send them an email to confirm that they signed up. And then once they confirm this is the page that they'll see. And essentially what you can do is click edit. And then here within the body of this message, you can basically enter in whatever text you want. You can say welcome, and please download your copy of, and then you can put in, whatever it is, ebook. Once you put in this text, then what you want to do is highlight it as such, click the link button here, and once you click the link button, then change the link to file. And once you change it to file, then it will take you over, and you can upload whether it's a image file or whether it's a PDF file. You can upload, or you can upload from a URL. And so we'll give it a minute here to finish what it's doing. And essentially what will happen is you will get to be able to search here from your desktop here. And so for instance, in this case, I have a desktop, basically a desktop file, and so you can use any file. Like I said, typically it's going to be like um, a PDF, and I'll just choose this PDF just because I have it there. It's called WordPress Domain Portfolio Management, and I'll go ahead and choose it. And then essentially it will then upload, and then it'll take us back to there, and it puts the Mailchimp link in for that upload, and then you basically insert that in, and now you have that link. And if you wanted to, you could put the text in there to say please download your copy of ebook. You could also add an image in there and link the image to the file as well. So nevertheless, we'll save and close, and then now you can see it says welcome and please download a copy of your ebook there. And pretty much from there, that's it. That's all that is left for you to do. And so now, if you were to go back, and so it'll take us back here to the sign up forms, and if we were to select form builder, and if we go to final welcome email, you'll see that it has saved pretty much everything for that specific list. And so if you have a different lead magnet, then you'll need to have a different lead list for each lead magnet, not unless you'll just basically have to come in and set up new list for every time. And then other than that, the only thing that you'll need to then be able to do is go back to sign up form. So once you set up the form builder for the lead magnet to send the final email, then the only other thing that you'll need to do is either go back and select embedded forms or the subscriber pop-up form. I often use the subscriber pop-up form. I also use embedded forms, and so I'll show you what the embedded form looks like. And here on my site, I have what's called an embedded form, to where it's there on my right-hand side, or in the sidebar on the right-hand side. And so someone can enter in their email address, they can subscribe to my list, and then that list, if that final send email or welcome email is checked, then it will send the email, and then they'll be able to download that lead magnet. So I hope that this tutorial has actually provided you a bit of insight to how easy it is. Obviously, the hard work is creating your lead magnet, but the easy part in terms of getting it to your end users is as easy as this tutorial, as I just showed you. So that being said, please leave me comments and questions below the video. Also, please subscribe to the Kickstart Commerce channel, where I release one video a week every Wednesday about digital strategies in the areas or disciplines of WordPress, tips and tricks, domain name, investing, and different strategies to grow your business, as well as search marketing. So that being said, also visit kickstartcommerce.com, and on the right hand side here in the Daily Scoop, please sign up for it as well. I share the same search marketing, WordPress tips and tricks, domain name strategies to help grow your business. And so all sorts of different disciplines, digital disciplines, to basically help grow your business. So that being said, thanks, and that's all for now.